5 minutes listening practice.
朝5時に起きる。
I get up at 5 a.m. I get up at 5 a.m. I get up at 5 a.m.
顔を洗う。
I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face.
髭を剃る。
I shave my beard. I shave my beard. I shave my beard.
朝食を食べる。
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
お皿を洗う。
I wash my dish. I wash my dish. I wash my dish.
歯を磨く。
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
洗濯をする。
I do my laundry. I do my laundry. I do my laundry.
スーツを着る。
I wear a suit. I wear a suit. I wear a suit.
トイレに行く。
I go to washroom. I go to washroom. I go to washroom.
靴を履く。
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
家を出る。
I leave home. I leave home. I leave home.
駅まで歩く。
I walk to the station. I walk to the station. I walk to the station.
音楽を聞く。
I listen to music. I listen to music. I listen to music.
コンビニに立ち寄る。
I stop by the convenience store. I stop by the convenience store. I stop by the convenience store.